Begin by navigating to the course page for which you would like to relocate items. Then, toggle on the Course Edit mode using the button at the top of the page. Now, you will notice that a compass icon has appeared immediately to the left of each item. To move any individual item, click and hold on its compass icon, then drag it to the location you wish to move it to, and release the mouse button to nest it in its new place. You may also indent any item by selecting the Edit option to its right and clicking Move Right. Alternatively, if you are moving items a significant distance within the course, click once on the compass icon to the left of the item. This action will open a list displaying all of the content found on this page in sequential order. Scroll down the list if necessary to find another item next to which you would like to place the item you are moving, and click on it. The pop-up window will close, and you will now find that the item has been moved directly after the content piece you have just selected from the list.